Did you know that hiccups are one of life's greatest mysteries? They happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, spasms unexpectedly, causing a sudden intake of breath that's interrupted by the closure of your vocal cords. This creates that infamous hic sound. While most hiccups last only a few minutes, some can persist for days or even years. The longest recorded case lasted an astonishing 68 years. Scientists believe hiccups might be remnants from our evolutionary past. Some even suggest they could help aquatic mammals like whales control their buoyancy while swimming. So next time you get the hiccups, remember you're experiencing a quirky echo from history.